Okay guys, welcome to the channel. In the previous video I made, if you have not watched it, the link will be in the description. So in the previous video I made, I showed us how we can send message from admin app to users app. Then you can send message to specific users, or you can send message to all users. So the sending to specific users, we send to users with outdated version, or if you want to send or a general message, you can send to all users. So I create my app using this button here. Then you set up your Firebase configuration. Set up. In case you don't know how to set up, all you need to do is click on this blue button. So the next thing, I create a component. All you need to create is your Firebase database component. Just create it here. So mine is JJ. So you must take notice of it. Then we come to our component. We click on this button. Then select on child added. You will see on child added, I've selected mine. So after selecting mine in the users app, so the next thing I did was to check if the kind of message that is being sent is an update message. So if it's an update message, the next thing I'm checking is if the version code, that is the version code in our Firebase, is smaller than the one in our phone. Every phone has a version code. Every app has a version code. So we're checking the one in the database is bigger than the one in our phone. If it's bigger, then we're going to show a dialog message. So I created a custom view called Dial. So you always change this main activity.this to your activity.this, your activity name.this. So this is the code. So if it's greater, then we show the dialog. Here I've declared all the views. That I'm going to be programmatically working on, that is using Java. If you are not going to use Java on any view, there's no need of declaring it. We will see our view. So this is to make this code now is to check if it's a cancelable dialog. So you can check if the dialog is cancelable. You can make it from the admin app. So I've made it in the admin app to make the dialog cancelable or not cancelable. So if it's cancelable, that means you are forcing the users must update or they can't use your app. So here we are checking this will send message to all users without checking the app current version. The previous code will send message to only users with outdated version. So this checks. So when they click on the button, I will show you the button. When they click it, it will click them to Play Store to update their app, or as the case may be, how the configuration may be, or if it's okay. If you just want to send a message, so I created a custom view by clicking on here, clicking here, custom view. Write your name. My own was DIA. You must take notice of this custom view name. So this is the update button. So when they click on it, to take them to Play Store. This is the image. You can change your image according to your need. So using Firebase, I've done the setup. Please, this project will be on Sketchly, so you should subscribe. And one more thing, in the admin panel, in the admin app, you must always take notice. If you have not learned how to upload to Firebase, I've made a video so you can check on the Firebase playlist. You must take notice of these keys, because if you don't take notice of the keys when retrieving the data, if there is a missing key, your app will crash and you won't like it. So if there is a missing key and you are not sure if the key exists, not only in this project, or you have other project you are using Firebase, you are not sure the key exists. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to check if the key exists, and how you do that is this way. You click on this, list. If there is no block showing, just add list. Click on add list, map list, write the name. So then you come here, you check if contains with that list name that you use, if contains the key. So that is all. So by doing so, your app will not crash. So please support Sketchly by subscribing and recommending to others. In case you have not seen the feature, this is a little glance, but you can see the array function in a previous video. In a previous video, you can see the array function of sending dialog message from users app to admin app. So please subscribe. Thank you.